Okay guys, this is Wife from the Locust Garden, and what I'm showing you here is a pomegranate tree that I've been growing since early this year. I think about February I started growing these. I planted like 5 seeds. The first 2 that started growing really didn't make it. It looked like they would, but then something happened. I don't know if it was too cold, because these are plants that enjoy a little bit more of the drought type of weather. So dry, not very humid, though I just water them, but yeah, that's how they like it. So the Mediterranean is where usually they would grow, and it's kind of like, it's humid but it's dry too, or really hot. So right now that it's summer, today is July the 15th, I just see they are growing. I mean, yes, my little critters, but this one in particular, it's doing great, and the leaves are so beautiful, and there's new growth. But the thing is that I want to keep it small. I don't know really if I want to make a bonsai out of it, because I do like the fruit, but then again, our plan is to move one day and have our own farm, and hopefully soon, sometime soon, something, hoping for a miracle, but hopefully soon. And I can't really be taking big trees with me, so if they're small, it's probably going to be easier to move them around, and then once we have that land, it would be just easier to plant all over again. But at least I'll keep my little babies that I'm growing right now. So what I'm gonna do is prune it a little from, I guess, a bit of the new growth and a bit of the old growth, just to keep it small and bushy. So we'll see how that goes. So I'll see you in a bit. So as you can see, I cut quite a bit of it. Wherever I would see little nodes with new leaves about to grow, I would just cut the old ones to promote the new ones, and they should be smaller, a bit smaller. And I left some of the old ones there, and some others I cut in half, because I also want this to focus more on the trunk and on the roots. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I just really want the roots to be strong enough so when I need to transplant this tree, it would take the shock. So right now I cut some of the leaves, the old leaves, where there was little nodes of new ones that could grow, and others I cut in half just so there's not much energy going there. And then I cut the tip. As you can see, the tip of the tree is gone. That's so I can keep it short, because otherwise it will just keep on growing upward. Sorry that I have my computer in the background, but I'm doing this in my desk just so I have a better look on what I'm doing because of the light. So yeah, so hopefully I can continue this video as it changes a bit, and I can show you what's going on with this plant. So today's August the 12th. It's been almost a month since the video where I was pruning the pomegranate, and I think I transplanted it either the next day of that pruning, and this is what's going on. If you remember from that part, some leaves were removed, they grew back, and then the ones that are cutting half, they're still cutting half, obviously. But we did have new growth, as you can see. More leaves are coming. And then here's where I had cut the tip of this tree. Obviously you can see that it grew another shoot, and it keeps on growing. So this here, this part here, is the growth of a month of this pomegranate tree. So I am sharing how the growth happened in a month after the pruning, and basically it took the shock quite well, because after I planted it, it kept on growing, so that means that it settled just fine. So the reason why I didn't publish the other video before and I waited a month is because I really wanted to share with you before I published the video that it took the shock and it was okay with the pruning and it kept on growing. So don't be that afraid to prune your plants. I mean, that's why it is good to plant more than one, just in case. But this plant just took it really well. So thank you for watching, and I'll keep on updating as this plant keeps on growing. So have a good day.